You see, this place, I'm an FBI agent waiting to try and get a promotion through unethical ways. Well, you see, this whole place is just a front for drugs and black market things, terrorists, and not so legal things. But I plan to, let's just say, expose everything. And, first take out some big security with unethical ways. Alright. No one's here yet, and I'm surprised, but also not, seeing how everything is, well, usually not that good on the black market, so all this destruction can also be noticeable. Alright. Let's hide these suckers. The first person we need to take out is these cars. They may look like that, but they've been stolen from other businesses, other places. You get the gist. Now, I'm going to try and cause some disarray. Perfect. Now to get rid of the rest of the evidence.
Here. Welcome to your Grow Mall store. Enjoy only the most explosive discounts.
See? They know what they're doing. Huh, good to know. Weird how they would put that there, but who am I to, judge people's... Oh look, first guy. I'm not surprised they came here this late. Must be sick. Thank you, sir. Whoa, explosives. Well, now that I dealt with one of them. Shit! I thought I deactivated the fast. I think it said something about the security. I'm gonna go there
Ladies
now.
and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been
Fun fact,
detected
all
in the
these
building.
people-
Please evacuate the shopping center
Oh,
using the
some sick
nearest
people
exit.
here. Fucking shit. Sorry. Wrong place.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been detected in the building. Please evacuate the shopping center using the nearest exit. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been detected in the building. Please evacuate the shopping center using the nearest exit. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been detected in the building. Please evacuate the shopping center using the nearest exit. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been detected in the building. Please evacuate the shopping center using the nearest exit.
Where is that stupid room?
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. This is the fire alarm. A fire has been detected in the building. Please evacuate the shopping center using the nearest exit.
I'm gonna make. Okay, all the power's shut off. Damn it, due to that thing, I think the cops might show up. Gotta get out of here fast. Really want that promotion. Let's see if I can bring a little something with me. Damn, these trucks are empty. I need to find the real source. I think there should be a shop that sells that that sells blue tide, which true Teardown fans will know includes illegal substances. If I can get that over here, I can shut this whole place down. Here it is. Just gotta bring a barrel. Fuck. Yeah. Screw this. can find another way later. That's my friends.
Talk to the end.
God, why did they have to send him? God, I know the FBI likes to copy movies, but why did it have to be this way? I think they already spotted the signal. Damn it. What is that? What can I do? Red dragon? Sure, why not? It's fit. Spot anything. At least it didn't say anything else. That's good. I feel good. Feel good. Oh. Why am I still here? Why don't I just leave? There's no point in being here anymore. They're completely sending everything they got. They decided to send that. What are these? What are those? What are these doing? How are you still alive? Why were there so many? How many are they sending after me? Jesus. Nope. Breaking the fourth wall, but we are not. Well, I know which one. Oh hell no! I am not dealing with you today. TIE fighter. Doesn't matter now. You're dead. Still alive. So let's go. Nope, nope.